I want to talk to you about Wells Fargo Signify Business Card, and the thing is that this was actually a wonderful business credit card, and the question is it really worth it, especially for you this year? So here's an overview I want you to think about. So when you think about the Wells Fargo Signify Business Card, I want you to think about a card that actually is a no annual fee business credit card, and the card actually does a great job in terms of simplifying earning and redeeming points and miles. By the way, this is actually a new business credit card that Wells Fargo actually introduced after revamping its business credit card offer. And the cool thing about this card is that you are able to you can redeem points and miles in a very simplified manner. This card actually stands out by offering cardholders unlimited 2% cash rewards on business purchases, and also you have an initial year of zero interest financing on new purchases. So if you are interested in this card, you will love the fact that you have a zero interest. You have an intro APR, if you will, of 0%. Okay, and also you have this 2% cash rewards. And the Signify Business Cash Card by Wells Fargo is really, when you think about it, a fantastic option for your small business if you are looking for a simple rewards structure and no annual fee. Okay, so with no rewards cap, a substantial welcome bonus, and some travel perks, it's really a truly appealing card this year. So let me go into details here. So in terms of perks, you can earn unlimited 2% cash rewards on purchases made for your business, not for yourself personally, but for your business. You have a no annual fee, 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months from account opening. The APR is kind of decent too. You are looking at 18% to a 27%, and you even have the possibility to earn a $500 cash rewards bonus. Okay, this is kind of cool. So in terms of pros and cons, if you think about this card, the pros, you have a simple flat rate cash rewards of 2% on all purchases. You have an introductory 0% APR on purchases for 12 months, complimentary annual priority pass membership, lounge access fees do apply though, and you have free employee cards. On the flip side, actually, there are no opportunities for higher earning categories. Rewards cannot be transferred to travel partners to actually boost your reward value. So this is a bummer, really. The card charges foreign transaction fees. Balance transfers are not permitted on this card. And also, applicants, you must have a Wells Fargo checking or savings account to actually apply online. So let me talk to you about the rewards here. When you think about Wells Fargo Signify Business Credit Card, the rewards. So when it comes to offering competitive rewards and benefits, the Signify Business Cash Card hits all of the right notes without being too complicated. So that's what you will love. You love the fact that it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Okay, so you have a welcome bonus. So as a new applicant, you can access a generous welcome offer. Think about it. You can earn a $500 cash rewards bonus when you spend $5,000 in purchases in the first 3 months. So don't forget, it has to be in the first 3 months, first 90 days, okay? And so how do you earn rewards with the Wells Fargo Signify Business Card? Well, the card actually, I think I said this before, but I want to reiterate the fact that you have the card offers unlimited 2% cash rewards on business purchases. There are no bonus categories though, so something to really keep in mind. And how do you use rewards with the Wells Fargo Signify Business Card? Well, rewards actually earned on the Signify Business Cash Card can actually be redeemed in several ways. It really depends on your business strategy. The cool thing is, for instance, you can redeem your rewards as a credit towards your account, or at a rate of 1 cent per point toward gift cards, or even travel reservations. So it really depends on what's really suitable for your business this year. And so combining your rewards with the Wells Fargo Autograph Journey Card, consumer credit card, is actually a new, intriguing option, really. So if you are a cardholder with both cards, you can actually transfer points from the Signify Business Cash Card to the Wells Fargo Autograph Journey Card, then actually use those rewards for airline miles or hotel points. So this could be really interesting. If you can redeem those points or miles for high value travel reservations, you can receive significantly more value from your rewards. So current Signify Business Cash card offer, you can earn $500 after spending $5,000, earn unlimited 2% cash rewards, intro APR on offer on purchases, and no annual fee. Let me go a little more granular. When you think about the Wells Fargo Signify Business Credit Card, what are the features you need to really pay attention to this year? So basically, the card offers several valuable cardholder benefits, and I want to explore a little bit of some of them. Okay, you have primary rental car insurance, you have limited priority pass membership, Mastercard ID theft protection, and you also have a Wells Fargo Signify Business Card annual fee and other costs. So this is kind of important. So when you think about primary rental car insurance, when you use the Signify Business Cash Card to pay for your rental car, you get a rental car insurance policy that covers theft and damage. So that's kind of cool from a flexibility point of view. And this benefit is actually exceptional because it offers a primary coverage, meaning that you don't have to file the initial claim through your personal automobile insurer. In contrast, most credit card that offer rental car insurance require you to first file a claim on your own policy, which could raise actually your rates. Okay, so Wells Fargo really does a great job on that front. You also have limited priority pass membership. So the Signify Business Cash Card comes with complimentary membership to the Priority Pass network of airport lounges. I just finished a review of the Priority Pass sort of program, so maybe you want to go and watch that show. And so the thing is that the good news with the Signify Business Cash Card is that basically this network includes over 1,000 lounges worldwide. However, the Priority Pass membership offered through the Signify Business Cash Card comes with an additional pay-as-you-go lounge entrance fee of $35 per person per visit. So this membership may be worthwhile for occasional travelers, but it's not really as valuable as the memberships offered by premium travel rewards cards that actually come with unlimited complimentary visits. So something to really think about. You also have Mastercard ID theft protection. So this actually offers detection and protection against identity theft. So features include activity monitoring and suspicious transaction alerts, along with expert resolution services should you become, let's say, a victim of fraud. But to activate this benefit, you have to enroll in the Mastercard membership program. Let me talk to you about something that's really good to know when you think about the Wells Fargo Signify Business Card this year. So let me talk to you about I want to talk to you about earning rewards, and I want to talk to you about redeeming rewards. So, and also the reward potential. So when you think about earning rewards is a simple process with no categories or spending caps. So earn unlimited 2% cash rewards on business purchases. As a new cardholder, you are eligible for a welcome bonus. As I said earlier, you earn $500 after spending $5,000 in eligible purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. So redeeming rewards can be redeemed for statement credit, gift cards, or travel. So travel redemptions can be made through the Wells Fargo Rewards portal for flights, car rentals, or hotel stays for your next business trip. And cash redemptions can be made online or by phone in any increment. You can also request a paper check in increments of $25. And the cool thing is, if you have a Wells Fargo debit card, you can withdraw rewards from a Wells Fargo ATM in increments of $20 or more. Now, cash rewards do not expire as long as the credit card account remains open. So the rewards potential is pretty fantastic because you are looking at 0.5% all the way to 0.9%. So that's kind of cool. And now let me tell you other Signify Business Cash Card benefits. So you have a travel accident insurance I've said this before, but I want to say that again. You have a free employee cards, you have account alerts, and you also have, and this is pretty interesting, you have zero liability protection. In other words, you're not responsible for unauthorized transactions as when they are reported promptly. So make sure that you report them promptly. But just remember, you are looking at a regular APR that goes from 18% all the way to 27%. So at least it's important to keep that in mind. So what are the Revels here? When you think about Wells Fargo Signify Business Card, you do have a lot of players in a pretty crowded field, okay? So let me really explore some of the Revels that you need to know this year. First, you have the Capital One Spark Cash Plus. And so when you compare and contrast Capital One Spark Cash Plus to the Signify Business Cash Card, you realize that the Capital One Spark Cash Plus offers unlimited 2% cashback. It also offers a few advantages over the Signify Business Cash Card, such as a higher welcome bonus for those who can earn it. So new applicants can earn $1,200 once they spend $30,000 in the first 3 months from account opening. However, the spending requirements for the welcome offer is significantly higher than that of the Signify Business Cash Card, making the generous bonus accessible only to businesses with substantial monthly spend. And Capital One Spark Cash Plus cardholders earn 5% back on hotels and rental cars purchased through Capital One Travel. And unlike the Signify Business Cash Card, the Capital One Spark Cash Plus doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. However, the Capital One Cash Plus card actually also has a few drawbacks compared to the Wells Fargo Signify. Since it is a charge card, a cardholder must pay their entire balance in full. Okay, the Capital One Spark Cash Plus card also doesn't offer a 0% intro APR period and comes with a $150 annual fee unless you spend $150,000 on the card each year to waive the fee. Finally, rewards earned on the card can only be redeemed for cash. There is no way to convert them to travel rewards, points, or miles. You have another one here when it comes to rivalry in a very crowded field. You have the American Express Blue Business Cash Card. So the American Express Blue Business Cash Card is kind of similar to is a very similar no annual fee competitor that can work well if you want to build a business relationship with Amex. Okay, Amex Blue Business Cash Card earns 2% cashback on all purchases, but only on the first $50,000 you spend every single year. After that, as a cardholder, you earn a mere 1% cashback on all purchases, and new applicants can earn a welcome bonus of $250 like statement credits after you make $3,000 in purchases on your card in your first 3 months of account opening. And you take advantage, and you got to really take advantage of that. You take advantage of a 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months from account opening. Then you are looking at 18% to a 27%. However, rewards earned on Amex Blue Business Cash Card cannot be converted into travel rewards points or miles. So this is something to really think about. Now, if you want to earn American Express membership rewards on a similar business credit card with no annual fee, it's better to go with the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express. Next, you have another card I want to share with you, the Inc. Business Unlimited credit card. So this is a pretty interesting card, by the way. So this card, the Inc. Business Unlimited credit card, is one of the best small business credit cards, offering a 1.5% cashback on all purchases with no caps. And this card also comes with an intro APR of 0% intro APR on purchases for the first 12 months, then 18% to 25% variable APR, matching the initial benefits on the Signify Business Cash Card. And similarly, the Inc. Business Unlimited credit card also has no annual fee, but charges a foreign transaction fee of 3% of each transaction in US dollars, okay? And the Inc. Business Unlimited credit card earns rewards in the form of a Chase Ultimate Rewards, which are really worth significantly more than direct cashback if used for travel. So you got to really think about that, okay? And so the thing is, if you have, let's say, a Chase Sapphire Reserve, Chase Sapphire Preferred card, or Inc. Business Preferred credit card, you can actually transfer rewards earned on the Inc. Business Unlimited credit card to one of those accounts. So that's kind of cool because it gives you more. It gives you more flexibility, by the way. And the cool, even better, you will get a redemption rate of 1.25 to 1.5 cents per points if you book through a Chase Travel, depending on the card. And alternatively, you can transfer points to more than 1,000 airline and hotel partners such as Hyatt, Southwest, United Airlines, and more. So that's kind of cool. So overall, when you think about basically a Signify Business Cash Card by Wells Fargo versus the American Express Blue Business Cash Card, this is another player, by the way, you have a lot of possibilities, but everything depends on the kind of relationship we want to build in the first place. Let me give you a few extras here before I close to this conversation. So when you think about the Wells Fargo Signify Business Cash Card, you really got to really understand that this is actually the only small business card currently offered through Wells Fargo. And Wells Fargo used to have another business credit card, and they revamped the whole program not long ago. So right now, this is the only card they have. Okay, so this card was launched in early 2024, and the card actually features 2% cash rewards on business purchases and does not have an annual fee. So it's one of those things where you might be thinking, well, Wells Fargo is a big bank. How come they don't have many business credit cards, and how come they only have one? Well, they are still working on coming up with new products, but for now, they only have one product, one business credit card, okay? And if you want to qualify for a small business credit card through Wells Fargo, it's just better, first of all, to establish a relationship with a bank, okay? This is a major bank. This is one of the 4 top banks in the States. So you want to open a business checking accounts or business savings account, or use Wells Fargo for payment processing before actually thinking about getting a business credit card from them. If you start by establishing a relationship with them, chances are you are going to get a business credit card. You are going to be approved for a business credit card a lot easier, if you will. Okay. And so when it comes to Wells Fargo cash rewards earned through Wells Fargo can be applied as a statement credit toward your account balance, or redeem them for gift cards and travel reservations. So it's one of those things where you have to see what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So what is the Signify Business Cash Card best for? Well, this card is a terrific option for your business if you don't want to juggle rotating rewards categories. This card will also benefit employees who may periodically need, let's say, priority pass access, but are not the primary account owner. While access is not free, it's a nice option to have. And so is the Signify Business Cash Card for you? It really depends. This card actually is a great way to maximize earnings with no annual fee. In addition, you can gain great travel protection and sorry about that, and also access to a priority pass lounges, which could really come in handy. Okay, so overall, when you think about it, this is an excellent card for businesses that don't need to use it internationally, especially if you are thinking about using the card just in the States. So as an epilogue into this conversation, I spoke to you about Wells Fargo Business Signify Business Card. I give you the overview, the rewards, the features, the good to know, the Revels, the extras, and the epilogue. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.